Do you still remember this platform called Hawkit? Yes, Hawkit is a platform where you can earn money by just performing tasks. But to register on this platform, you need to deposit. I don't know the amount right now, but let me check the amount they are charging before you can register to earn money. But that time, you can only deposit just 1,500. So when you deposit it, let me check now. I want to check how much they are charging for if you want to register. So for instance, check the description of this video, you will see the registration link there. Let's just do it together. So right now you are going to input your full name, then the referral, you're going to input this here as a referral. Just input escrows as a referral there, or when you use the link on the description of this video, you're going to this referral option is going to be here automatically. So after that, click on sign up. So it will take you to this place. Input your username, enter your email and password, then click on create account. That is, so a code will be sent to your email. Go to your email you use to register, then copy the code and paste it here, then click on continue. Now select gender, select your state, your local government, then set your location. Now upload your photos. Now after you've done all those things, this is where it will take you to. Now you can see buy social media engagement and get paid to post your advert on their social media. So this one now, if you have any accounts that you want and engage, maybe your WhatsApp group or your YouTube, your TikTok, your Twitter, your Facebook, and you want more followers or more things like that, then you are going to click on get started now for that one. But if you want to make money on this platform, you have to become a member. Now click on member, get paid for posting advert and engage on your social media. Just click on become a member. So when you become a member, you are going to be making money on this Hawkit. Now click on become a member. So you can see it here. To become a member, you need to pay 1,000 naira. It's just 1,000 naira, just like that. Just like that. And this amount, this 1,000 naira, has earned me more than 200,000 naira since I joined Hawkit. I've been on Hawkit now is over 2 years now. Let me go and show you my my all my withdrawals. Let me show it to you. Let me show it to you. Okay, let me log in back to my real account. So let me show it to you. I want to show you all my withdrawals, withdrawal history. Let me show it to you. So this is it here. If I show you the amount I have withdrawn on this Hawkit, I can't even count it. I have withdrawn more than, let me just find it. You can see the numbers here. You can see the numbers 10 7 something like that. But let me find it go down so that I will show you how many times I've withdrawn on this Hawkit. I withdraw many times. You can see 2000, 9, 2000, depend 4,000, 5,000. I withdraw a lot. I'm still going to show you where I withdraw up to 10,000, 20k. Let's see. So this is my first withdrawal on this platform, Hawkit. You can see it here. I have withdrawn 105 times since 2022. You can see it here. Since 2022, I have withdrawn more than 100 times. You can see it. I withdraw a lot on Hawkit. I withdraw a lot. You can see them. See my withdrawals. You can see them. These are my withdrawals on Hawkit. I withdraw almost every day or almost every week. Depend. I am not even scared that the platform will crash. most of the time, if I see money, if I do my task and I can just leave it there. If I don't need the money yet, I can just leave it there until I need it. Until I need it. So that is how to go about it. So if you want to join Hawkit, just turn your this thing to your social media to money making app. Your WhatsApp status, your your Facebook account, your Twitter, your TikTok can earn you a lot of money by just registering with just on 100 or 1000 naira. Yes, 1000 naira. And you'll be getting earn steady daily figure. Earn instant referral. You can also get referral from 500, 20% commission. Start your airtime business. You can also start your airtime business on Orchid. So that is all Orchid is all about. And again, at the same times, if you have accounts you want to boost, maybe you have a TikTok account you want to boost, then go to Orchid. You can boost your account there. You can boost the account there. If you have someone that want to boost their account, tell them to go to your Orchid, to go to Orchid, and they can pay Orchid and boost accounts, boost their account, have followers, have many followers. So right now I'm going to make a withdrawal on this Orchid. You can also advertise. I don't want to forget that. Let me not forget that. You can also advertise your business on Orchid. Orchid has a lot of member. They have a lot of member. So right now, let's go to the withdrawal side and let me make this withdrawal. So I want to make withdrawal of this 6,000 naira you are seeing right now. So input, you are going to input the amount you want to withdraw up here. Then you input your password. A code will be sent to your email address. You have to use that code. So remember, they are going to take 11 naira from whatever you withdraw. So let me just withdraw 5,900. They are going to deduct 27 naira from it. Please note that a transfer charge of 27 naira will be deducted. So 27 naira will be deducted. So that is it. 27 naira will be deducted. Input your password and click on withdraw. So you can see it here. You need to input a code will be sent to your email. They have sent the code right now. I'm going to input it here right now. So just input the code here. Just input it here. Just input it here. So after you input it and click on continue, that is all. You have successfully withdraw the money. 788,632. So that is it. I have successfully withdrawn this money again. I've withdrawn it. As you can see, it will write successful. You can see they have deducted it. So that is how to withdraw on Orchid. If I go to my withdrawal history, you will see it will be on pending. But that is it. I am going to receive the money for sure. I am going to receive the money for sure. Let me show it to you. You can see I'm waiting process. But I am going to receive the money. That is for sure. I believe that. I believe that. This is not my last withdrawal. I don't think the information is recorded here. This is not my last withdrawal. I did not withdraw last on July. I still withdraw this month. I think last month. Yes, I think I still withdraw last month on this. So if you want to perform your Orchid task, let's say you want to make money on Orchid, this is what you're going to do. You are going to click here, perform task. As you can see, I have 1,490 tasks to perform. So click on task. So to perform task, to earn this big amount here, imagine I have 1,004, almost 1,490 tasks to perform, and per task here I can earn 100 naira per task. So if I do the calculation, 100 naira times 1,490, I can actually make 149,000 naira just a day, in just today. You can see it. 1,490 task I have here. I can also I can actually make 149,000 naira. That is the amount I can make if I say I should start performing all these tasks they give to me here. So to perform each of these tasks for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, WhatsApp, Telegram, Twitter, you need to have each 1,000 followers on each of all those uh social media. But if you don't have up to that followers, you can click here. There is a little for you. Just click here and you will be making this one 13 naira, 13 naira, 13 naira, 20 naira, 15 naira per task, like that, 60 naira per task if you don't have up to 1,000 followers per each of those social media channels. So that is it. That is everything you need to know about Hawkit. Hawkit is paying. Hawkit is paying. At least I have shown you the proof. It has been paying me since uh 2022, and this is 2024, 2024, and it's still paying. So guys, if you are interested, it's just 1,000 naira. I have withdrawn more than 300k on Hawkit. 300,000 naira I have withdrawn up to more than that with just my 1,000 naira. So guys, don't forget to join it. The link to join is in the description of this video. Check it out and join Hawkit. Thank you. Goodbye for now.